Hey there, viewers! Having pets is one of the great joys of life, but it's also a huge responsibility. As a new pet parent, you want to do everything you can to take care of your furry friend. Taking a few minutes every day to check on your pet's health can help them avoid sickness. In today's video, we'll focus on some tips that will help you take better care of your pet. Not that you haven't been caring for them already, it can just be especially hard if you're a new pet owner. What should you be feeding them? What about pet vaccination? We're talking about all this and more. Number 1. Feed your pets properly. A healthy and balanced diet is extremely important for strong and happy pets. Proper meals will not only provide enough energy for their daily activities, but they're also essential for the functioning of their brain. A balanced diet is important in the early stages of your pet's development. Remember, you shouldn't be feeding them home-cooked meals. They may not meet the complex nutritional needs of their body. Stick to special pet food only. One of the most important things to consider when feeding pets is the stage of life they're at. Different animals, especially cats and dogs, require different diets at different stages of life. That's why it's important to understand what works best for them. Some pet owners believe that animals are just like us. While we do share similarities, animals need specific foods to survive. You want to make sure their supplements are processed to maintain their nutrition and keep them safe. Most pet owners prefer the method of free feeding. With this, a bowl of food is left out so the animal can eat as much as it wants. This method works best with dry foods as they do not deteriorate as quickly as the wet kind. But this method can lead to the pet being overfed, resulting in obesity. If you can't stick to a fixed feeding schedule, this may be your best option. Timed and balanced pet feeding requires a strict schedule. Your pet will know when it's time to eat, and you'll have to make sure it's ready. How much your pet will eat depends on the quantity and time. Some pet owners prefer to set certain time windows for their pets to eat. This is the best approach if your furry friend needs some medication mixed with the food, or if you have an animal on a calorie-controlled diet. If you aren't sure which method is right for your pet, talk to your vet for advice. Which feeding method do you prefer for your pet? Sound off in the comment section and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. Routine visits to the vet. Regular vet visits will help your pet live longer, stay healthier, and be happy. A checkup once or twice a year can solve any health problems that arise in your pet. This is the key to increasing your little buddy's lifespan. Studies show that almost 27% of all pets are not seen or examined by a veterinarian in the US. Early detection and intervention will allow your vet team to treat your pet on time and control the disease through medication or simple lifestyle changes. Your veterinarian can also provide you with advice on how to help your pet avoid disease. Pets, especially cats, are good at hiding signs of disease. This is why proper physical exams and routine screenings are essential for accurate detection of disease. So, plan a visit to the animal doctor to ensure that your four-legged friends are doing okay. Your veterinarian's physical exam may look short and sweet, but it provides a lot of information. The vet will check your animal from nose to tail and recommend further tests if needed. Interested yet? Make sure you join our millions of followers and hit that subscribe button for all our great Bestie content. Number 3. Opting for proper identification. If something unthinkable happens and your pet gets lost, accurate identification might save its life. Young pets tend to run away from home and fail to find their way back. A study shows that in a span of 5 years, almost 14% of dogs and 15% of cats were lost by pet owners. Let's start with the basics. You can include your contact information in your pet's collar to ensure someone gets them back to you safely. Along with the identification tag, it's recommended you give your pet a microchip. The collar can always fall off. In this case, your pet's skin can be read by a scanner that extracts its information. Pretty wild, huh? This will help you reunite with your beloved pet, but only if you update your contact info. If your address or phone number has been changed, don't forget to update your details in a special file. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Watch and learn about 7 things your face says about your personality according to science. Now back to our suggestions on pet care routine. Number 4. Focus on training and socializing. One of the most important parts of responsible pet care is making sure your pet performs well. Proper social interaction is a huge part of this. The best and most effective way to start is at an early age, but remember, it's never too late to learn new skills. Socialization is the process of teaching pets to live in human society by exposing them to new environments and situations. There are many benefits to training your pet. Not only will it help your pet be happier, it can also provide your pet mental stimulation, exercise, and fun. For any animal that lives with you, toilet training is top priority. Learning social skills will help your puppy or kitten connect with you and other pets. A well-trained pet is a happy pet. Are you constantly dealing with chewed up shoes, dirty floors, and aggression? Training will be worth it then. Well-behaved and social pets are more confident, happy, and less of a risk to themselves and others. Social pets are easier to control. Untrained and low-socialized pets are among the largest groups of animals transferred to shelters every year. You'll be surprised to know that dog problems are common in the United States and Europe. They account for 17 to 20% of dogs left abandoned in animal shelters. Their fate is never pleasant. You can try taking your pets for an hour-long walk every day and maintain a clean and hygienic environment around them. Do not leave your buddies alone for a long time and provide them with a good and comfortable shelter. The key is to love them unconditionally and treat them like your family, and never forget to talk to them. Number 5. Vaccination is a must. For a long time, vaccinating your pets has been considered one of the easiest ways to help them live long and healthy lives. There are not only different vaccines for different diseases, but also different combinations. Vaccination is a procedure with risks and benefits which must be weighed according to each pet's lifestyle and health status. As we all know, there are many types of dog. It's important to note their size, type, temper, and even maturity speed are very different. Each of these animals has unique needs. Furry friends encounter multiple changes during the early years of their development. These include things like pest control, new homes, and new food. About 40% of veterinarians worldwide are interested in the current vaccination guidelines for companion animals. Pet vaccination should no longer be regarded as a one-size-fits-all approach. Vaccination is an important part of responsible pet care. Don't forget to schedule an appointment for vaccinations. On your first visit, your veterinarian will arrange a vaccination timetable for your pet. This protects them from diseases. If you adopt an adult animal, make sure it's also vaccinated. Your veterinarian can determine the vaccination plan that provides the best and safest protection for your animal. Make these tips a part of your regular pet routine, and they will enjoy a long and happy life. Pets can add fun, companionship, and security to your world. Before you adopt a pet, carefully consider which fur baby will be the best for your family. What does each family member look for in a pet? Who will take care of it? Is anyone allergic? Which animal will fit your lifestyle and budget? Here's what you need to know. Learn about 11 plants to avoid keeping around if you have pets. Or how about why getting a dog will change and improve your life? Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn how to take care of your pet. How do you effectively care for your furry buddy? Let us know in the comments below.